What's a dead cat bounce? What happens in Bagel land? And what is zombies dead? My name is Rizwan and right now we look at the markets of odd bizarre slang terms in this episode of Talk Like a Pro with FBS. As you know, many trading slang terms come from the world of animals. Watch the first episode of the series if you haven't yet. However, there are more animal-related terms, even phrases that market traders use. And some of them are pretty weird and murky. Here's a good example. A dead cat bounce. Nasty, isn't it? But don't worry, there is not gonna be any real-life dead cat bouncing. However, the image is quite vivid, as you can tell. This phrase is used to describe a specific movement of a degrading acid. As it goes down, but then all of a sudden goes up, just for a movement before it drops back to the bottom for good. Just like a dead cat's body would do when falling on the asphalt. Sounds gnarly, I know. So why don't we move to our next term? You're gonna love it, I promise. Do you like bagels? I adore them. They are tasty and nutritious. Yummy. But when it comes to market slang, bagels can mean only one thing: zero. So as you see your favorite stock having the worst time ever as it drops to zero, you might as well say it's going down to Bagel land. Let's hope that never happens to your assets. And last but not the least comes, oh, hold on a second, we'll need an introduction to this one. Imagine the dead come to life, leave their graves and crypts, and begin to prey on those unlucky to come their way and fall right into their ice-cold grasps. Yeah, it's zombie time. Zombie dead is a long-forgotten dead, which is too old to be pursued legally. However, a debt collector may come across it and decide to collect it from you, just like a corpse would come from the dead to haunt you. And I don't even know which is more scarier, a brain-hungry living corpse or a persistent debt collector. What do you think? And that is all for today. We will meet again in the next episode of Talk Like a Pro with FBS.